go!
Tom?
Yep.
Let's do this. He's already trying to focus.
Let's just go straight in. Oh, sorry. You gotta hit the bell, man. Hey, take the picture. No, they got in. Watch out, there's a guy right there. Alright. Go for it. Surrender.
What do I do?
I said surrender, man.
You did? Do I have to surrender?
Well, I mean...
I don't have to, right?
I mean, I should have shot you. I could have had one more in there.
You ain't shot me though. That's why I was like, what the fuck is he doing?
Just.
Are you in or are you out?
No, I'm still in. That's what I mean. The flow is not there still.
Hey Tom, what do I do?
Just get out for a little bit.
Oh, that's ring.
You got one too? I've got one left.
Hey, that ring. How many rings you got?
You got one left.
Okay.
Go back to respawn. Hurry up. Get out of the way, get out of the way. I'm dead.
I'm down to 1.
I'm dead. He's out. He's dead. All right, let's go.
I got shot, nigga. Didn't hurt.